In this demonstration, I will show you how to manually create a purchase invoice for an incoming document. So first I will search for incoming documents, and then I will create a new incoming document. And more specifically, by clicking on New, I will create one from a file. So for example, I have received a PDF invoice of one of my vendors. So next I will click on Choose, and I will go to the location where I've stored the PDF invoice. So let's take the first one. Next I will click on Open, and you will see that Business Central now creates a new incoming document for the PDF file. So I can of course check the document. So by clicking here on the PDF link, the system will show me the PDF invoice, as you can see here. And by going back to Business Central, I can now click on Process, Create Manually. So more advanced, something that you can discover in one of the following units, you can also use OCR recognition. But in this first example, I will select Create Manually and Purchase Invoice. So here you can see the documents that you can create manually for an incoming document. So again, in this case, I will choose Purchase Invoice. And you will see that Business Central now prepares a new purchase invoice. So now I can complete the purchase invoice by entering the vendor name, the items, the GL accounts, and so on. And notice that, of course, at the right side in the incoming documents files fact box, there is the PDF invoice linked. And it's also interesting to know that we can even attach more files to this purchase invoice. So if you use the incoming document function, for example, you can see the incoming document, but by using the attach file, you can attach even more files. So, and this is something that is not only possible on the non-posted invoice, you can also do the same on posted documents. So for example, if I would go to purchasing, and if I would open the list of posted purchase invoices and open one of the posted purchase invoices, you can see here at the right side the incoming document files fact box, and also here by clicking on the link and using the attach file function, I can also link incoming documents to posted invoices. So now this posted invoice has a new attachment.